Hello everyone, today I will show you how to download Epidemic sound music in .wav or .mp3 file format. And here's how it is done. First, make sure you have the Epidemic Sound app installed and a good Wi-Fi connection. You can browse through the app to find songs. And once you find one you like for your video, it is time to download it. To do this, tap the instant download button on the collection screen or tap the three dots on the playback screen and select download. This will bring up a menu with options for sharing the file. If the menu doesn't pop up right away, it is probably due to a poor internet connection. Wait about 30 seconds to see if it will download, and if not, troubleshoot your Wi-Fi. From here, you can directly drop the song into your editing project. If you want to save it for later or use it in multiple projects, tap to save it to your Files app. I like to create a subfolder for all my music for easy access later. Once saved, navigate to your editing app and follow the steps to add media. Browse your device files, find a song, and tap it to add it to your project. It may automatically drop into your timeline or add to a media bin, depending on the software you are using. And that's everything you need to know about how to download Epidemic sound music in WAV or MP3 file format. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.